We'll guide you through how to make and add watermarks in CapCut. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open up the project you want to add the watermark to. Make sure you haven't got anything selected. If you do, press the back button in the bottom left and go to the bottom and click on text. Then click on add text, and then what you need to do is type in what you want the watermark to say. I'll just have it saying guide. You can then go and click on styles to the right of fonts and scroll down. And then what you want to do is you can go and adjust the size, and you can also pinch it and move it around the screen as well. But at the bottom here, we've got the option for opacity. So click, hold and drag, and you can make it much more transparent and just make it out more as a watermark so it can be seen through. And what you can also do, if you scroll along here, you can click on shadow, choose the color, I'll choose black. You can go and reduce the opacity, but it still just makes it stand out that little bit more, and you can go and change the other effects as well. And then once you're happy with it, you can go and press on the tick like so, and you can go and position it in sort of the best place for you. And then what you can do is play it back and it will go and be there. And what you can do as well is of course make it longer by using these start and end points and dragging. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.